Welcome to Healthcare Bites for You. What if losing muscle after 60 isn't just part of aging, but something you can fight and even reverse? Every year after age 60, you can lose up to 3% of your muscle mass. This leads to falls, weakness, and even loss of independence. But here's the good news. Recent studies, including from Harvard, show that with the right foods, you can stop muscle loss in its tracks, even in your 70s or 80s. Let's uncover 10 powerful everyday foods that can help you build strength and stay active naturally. Number 1. Lean beef, the powerhouse protein. Lean beef is one of the richest sources of high-quality protein and creatine. It's packed with leucine, an amino acid that's like a start button for muscle growth. For seniors, this is key. Your muscles need more leucine to grow compared to younger people. Number 2. Whey protein, fast and effective. Whey protein is a game changer. It's fast absorbing and triggers muscle repair quickly. Plus, it reduces inflammation and helps balance blood sugar. Try adding a scoop to your breakfast or post-workout smoothie. Number 3. Fatty fish. Fight inflammation. Fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s help reduce chronic inflammation, making your muscles more responsive to protein. This means more muscle growth with less effort. Number 4. Nuts and seeds. Micronutrient magic. Almonds, walnuts, chia, and flax seeds are loaded with magnesium, zinc, and antioxidants. These support muscle contraction, reduce cramps, and help maintain hormones like testosterone, essential for strength. Number 5. Eggs. Small but mighty. Whole eggs are a complete protein source and contain vitamin D, which helps with muscle strength and bone health. Eat the yolk too. It has key nutrients your muscles love. Number 6. Beans and legumes. Fuel your gut, feed your muscles. Black beans, lentils, and chickpeas are full of fiber and resistant starch. These support a healthy gut, which plays a bigger role in muscle health than you might think by controlling inflammation. Number 7. Extra virgin olive oil, anti-inflammatory power. This heart-healthy fat also protects muscles by fighting inflammation. It supports hormone balance and improves nutrient absorption from other foods. Number 8. Leafy greens, nutrient-dense and muscle-friendly. Spinach, kale, and arugula provide iron, calcium, and antioxidants. Pair them with healthy fats like olive oil for better nutrient absorption and stronger muscles. Number 9. Greek yogurt, ideal bedtime protein. Greek yogurt has slow-digesting casein protein, which helps reduce overnight muscle loss. A small serving before bed can help muscles recover while you sleep. Bonus tips: when and how to eat for muscle. Spread your protein intake evenly across meals. Combine foods smartly, like vitamin C-rich peppers with iron-rich beans. And always include resistance exercises. Just 15 minutes a day helps. Conclusion: you're stronger than you think. Losing muscle isn't destiny. With the right foods and simple habits, you can regain strength, stay active, and feel years younger. Start today. One meal, one movement, one win at a time. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And join our community at Healthcare Bites for You for more simple, powerful health tips. Thanks for watching, and take care of your health.